not sure if I said this in the first video, but the dress has a pocket. Yeah, the actress of the musical actually smoked, and she had a secret pocket in her dress where a pack of cigarettes would fit. If you look and if you pay close attention to her character, she eventually pulls out a handkerchief out of her right side of the skirt. So that pocket ended up being used in the show. So I've seen a couple of tutorials online before starting to work on this project, and they all used 2 pieces of fabric to build the skirt. However, as you have been able to see, I just used 1 piece of fabric, one huge rectangle. Only the bias part is divided in 2, and then the last piece is also just one giant piece. So I have to add, and I want to add the secret pocket on the right side of the skirt, but for that I have to make an incision in the fabric So the tutorial I was following was a bust because it needed me to have a side seam on my skirt, which doesn't happen. I only have one seam and it will be on the back. So I remembered when I made a pocket for actually a bag. I know it had a zipper, but it's the same principle. So I have my pocket pattern made. I've seen quite a few and they all end up looking kind of the same, but it won't be noticeable, so anyway, it doesn't matter. What I'm going to do first is a test. I'm not going to butcher right now my skirt just in case it goes wrong, so I'm going to do a test, and if that works I'll apply it to the cosplay. So yeah, sometimes we have to go like trial and error and try new things, so let's see how this goes. So I found in my secondary bin 2 scraps of fabric and ta-da! See, no seam. Okay, I need to pay attention here, but since it's going to be a gathered skirt, it might not be a problem to have a little pleat if something like this happens, but I have here a little pocket. Obviously I cut the fabric wrong, oops, but it doesn't matter, it's just a trial, and I was able to make a pocket. Now you can see here that you can see the green, but again that won't be a problem in my skirt because it's going to have the exact same fabric as the rest of the dress, so it won't be that visible. I just have to be careful when cutting the pattern to cut on the same side of the dress, but I think it's yeah, it's the same on both sides, so it's actually pointless. So yeah, I'm going to cut the fabric, but I'm not going to insert the pocket now, and this because I want to try the skirt first before deciding the length that's useful for me for the pocket. I prefer for me to do it with the skirt on than just on the dress form. And it's going to be all for today, I think. Oh, and gather the skirt. Yeah, that's important, gathering the skirt, so I can have that behind me. So yeah, almost there, and still a lot to do. So yeah, not almost there.